Hello everybody. So it's been a really long time since I filmed a vlog or made a video. I think it's been like half a year now. So yeah, but you know, since I'm at home 24/7, I thought why not try making videos again. So I don't know if any of you remember, but almost exactly a year ago I tried to dye my hair blue, and so as some sort of redemption, I'm going to try dyeing it blue again today. Actually not today, over a span of a lot of days. So yeah, I actually wore this exact shirt when I dyed my hair. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do today is that I'm going to try and lighten my hair using hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. So yeah, let's get started.
Hard pa po, ma'am. Okay, clean up!
Hey, thanks Ate Kel. Ouch.
Next, you have a package.
Me? Package?
It's outside. From your friend.
From my friend? Okay, so I just came back, went down. Yana gave me pancakes. So cute.
I need a lunch. I'm ready to go.
You just make it.
Say hi, Ate Kel.
Hi. Okay.
Done?
Yeah.
Hello. It is day 9 and I'm not going to be lightening my hair anymore because it's very damaged. So here are my final remarks for anyone who wants to do this. So I think that if you're gonna do this, definitely don't do it 8 days like I did, because you're gonna kill your hair. But it really works, as you can tell. My hair is like a bright orange. If you want to lighten your hair, this is definitely a great alternative for bleach, especially if you just want to go a few shades lighter. So, and be careful when you're doing it, and don't leave it too long because you're really gonna damage your hair. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Also stay at home.